Manip sama Dehi. Sama manip. Mari dulu sama Dehi. Manip. Oh, what? Come on, get the oh, that's a huge bubble. Oh. Yes, that there must that the lot. There's so much there get milk in there. This is a big one. Look at this, how big it is. All right. Oh, that's a huge bubble. Oh, look at that. It doesn't look like Thomas now. All right, let's go ahead and decorate Thomas with the color. Oh, look at that. Some red. That's it. Let's introduce Mater. Look, who is here? Lightning McQueen. Ooh, Spider-Man, and look what happens to Spider-Man. Spider-Man is not falling off. Yes, who is here? It's Percy. Let me see if Percy can be knocked down with water. Ooh. Yeah, Percy is stronger. Oh, let's go ahead and see if James can be knocked down with water. Oh, James is stronger. Let's see. Yeah. Some drug is bothering too much. That's why we're coloring troublesome drug as well. Alright. Oh, look at this. Look at this. James is stronger. Enough Thomas. Look. Yeah, Thomas is clean now. Troublesome trap. Yeah. But still we have some colors there. That's okay. Hey, Thomas is totally clean up. Let's go ahead and see if these Thomas can be knocked down with water. They are so strong. Come closer. This guy is the one who did it. Good job. Oh, look at that. He's having fun with Thomas in that boat. Seriously, look at that. Whoa. Oh, look at that. That is cool. But he's not letting Thomas go. This needs hers. Look at that. Let me go ahead and give it to him. Oh, that's too much going on there. Ooh. Let's show the Thomas. Can I have the Thomas? Oh, look at that. This awesome Thomas with 4 eggs of different colors. Isn't it cool? That's a really awesome Thomas. He's getting shower. Thomas is getting shower. If this Lightning McQueen can take the force of the water. Oh.